Okay, after you remove the front fairing with the 4 bolts and the 3 windshield bolts, what you'll have is something like this with a 3 or 4 bolt pattern. Remove these screws and we'll go on to the next step. Okay, this is what your speaker looks like. And your speaker grill that you currently have on there is probably something similar to that. And what we're going to do is very simply just remove it, and then we take the new one, whatever your design is. The 97 to 13 will have the 4 tabs, and for the 14 and up will have there, and you can just see they nicely line up with your bolts. And now we're going to put them in. Okay, we got the grill in there. Now we're going to just tighten our bolts back up, and our installation will be complete with the new speaker grills. There's the newly installed 3D speaker grills. We can do any color combination, theme, pattern, whatever you want.